Recently, I succumbed to a desire for some chocolate cake and was thrilled to find a slice of delicious chocolate cake with a filling of fig preserves at my local market. So, of course, I had to hunt the recipe down. This recipe is basically a riff on a Black Forest chocolate cake that uses dark sweet cherries and whipped cream between the layers. It's surprisingly light and very delicious. So, if you're in the mood for a little decadence, definitely give it a try. The cake batter comes together really easily. The dry ingredients are sifted into a large bowl. The wet ingredients are whisked until well combined in another large bowl, and then mixed into the dry ingredients to form a smooth batter. The batter is then divided into 2 prepared pans and baked for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. Now remember, when you're baking chocolate, use the tester because you can't really tell if it's done. Recipes for baking are typically written for the bake mode because radiant heat that rises from the bottom of the oven, has a drying effect upon food. So when you put in a wet batter, that drying effect creates a dry crumb. Now, with the large capacity ovens that we have nowadays, it's really easy to bake 2 pans on one rack in the bake mode. However, you can also use the convection bake mode. Just be sure to stagger the pans for even baking. While the cakes are cooling, you can whip the cream and heat the fig jam with a little brandy to make it easy to spread and to give a little moisture so it soaks into the cake. Now simply spread the fig jam over the top, over one layer, top it with the second layer, and now you can go to town with the whipped cream and maybe add some mini chocolate chips for a little pizzazz. This will hold up for a couple of days in the fridge, but really invite your friends and enjoy it while it's fresh. It's delicious. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.